Good evening. This is an awkward angle. I have just been delivered package that I'm very excited about, and I'm mid shuffling around things in my truck. So welcome back. Got a fun video. For those of you who are new, my name's Chris, and I've been converting this ex-U-Haul box truck into a work living space. And very recently, I've really been leaning into the living, and this is part of it. So I'm very excited. So let's bring you inside to see what our haul is today. So I've been doing a bunch of smaller tweaks, fixes, upgrades to the truck. It's still not finished. It's been about a year since I've been building this out, but we're getting there. The reason why I've got this massive cable hanging down is today I'm upgrading my projector. That's what this is. So let me break it down for you as to what's going on and why. So this thing that's barely in shot, this projector I got at the very start of my little journey building out this truck, and I randomly got it in a super good deal on Amazon. Sometimes, you know, things have sometimes like a constant discount on, where it's always, there's a coupon for it for like $50, $100 off, whatever it is. And then sometimes they flip it around, and instead of doing that coupon, they'll do the equivalent but in a percentage off. So let's say it's a $200 item and they normally do a $50 off coupon. Sometimes they'll change that around. Well, they'll be like, it's $200, but it's 25% off. It's still the same thing. It's $50 or 25%. But sometimes, if you catch it at the right time, they have both of those coupons at the same time. It normally happens for like an hour or 2 hours, but I caught that multiple times on different objects, and this was one of those items where they did the double discount. So the reason why I'm saying this is that this projector, I got it for like nothing. So it was kind of an impulse buy. I was like, at this price, yeah, I'll take it, whatever. And it's been pretty useful. For a budget projector, it's been pretty good. But I've been wanting to upgrade. And as I've been planning out on getting my sort of forever upgrades on the truck, I've been thinking, what do I do? Do I stick with the projector? Do I get a TV? Because some people get a TV. And I thought back and forth, and I decided to stick with the projector. And I'll explain why in a minute, but I'm upgrading to this Nebula Capsule 3 laser projector. So that's what got delivered today, and that's what I'm going to be replacing my old projector with. So I need to install a mount, and I need to, you know, turn it on and stuff. And as I do that, I'll break down the specs on this and why I'm sticking with a projector in the truck rather than TV or something normies would enjoy. So like I said, I bought the Nebula Capsule 3 laser. I bought it refurbished. Now this refurbished unit actually comes with the exact same guarantee that the full price unit comes with, but it was less than 50% of the price. So let's take a little look at what we're working with here. Okay. So this is it's the projector itself. I mean, the box is scuffed, but this is brand new for sure. The unit itself is about the size of a beer can, maybe. It is 1080p projector, comes with two 8-watt speakers on the side. It also works as a Bluetooth speaker as well, which is important for me because on my old projector, the speakers on it were terrible. And these are apparently quite good. This unit also has a built-in battery, which allegedly lasts for 2.5 hours, and it can be charged with USB-C, which is also important because my old unit runs off AC, so it is very inefficient. So stats-wise, the reason why I got this one to upgrade off my old one is this has built-in Google TV, so basically built-in Android and all that sort of stuff. My old one does not have that. This one has a built-in battery. The old one does not have that. This charges off DC. The other one doesn't. The speakers are better on this one. On the old one, I had to use separate Bluetooth speakers. It's obviously smaller as well. We're going to see how this runs. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to test it out, I think, next to my old projector, which is why I have my HDMI cable dangling down. So let's try this out. All right. Ooh. I can already tell that it's better quality than my old projector. It's definitely sharper. It's definitely brighter. The one thing that I need to do is I need to put it on the bracket. So I'm going to install the bracket. The only thing that I need to figure out is I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to have this underslung going that way underneath, or if I should just stick with the old way and just have it up here. Yeah, I'm gonna do it hanging downwards, I think so. Okay, let's do that. All right, is definitely clearer. It definitely has a faster refresh rate, that's for sure. The sound is 20 times better than it was before. So very, very, very happy with that. I haven't tried it with the HDMI cable yet, but I will be doing. It's just a lot snappier. That's the main thing. In terms of brightness and stuff, it feels approximately the same brightness as before. The difference is that the colors are like, you can't really see it on this, on the camera, but the colors are like way more saturated compared to the washed out colors on the old projector. And the old projector, the blacks on it were like super washed out as well. So I'm looking at it on camera and it doesn't look that great. But in person, it's very, very different. It actually feels like it just feels like a full size, whatever, 60-inch TV. So the reason why I got this, let me explain. The reason why I got this instead of a TV is because this projector runs off DC power. So it is more efficient power-wise because there's no conversion to AC, etc. So it is more efficient based off that. It also has its own built-in battery. So the power, it has its own power supply. Basically, I just need to charge, as long as it's charged up, which it always will be. But that means that I don't even need to have my inverter on in order to use it because it's just got its own battery. But the third thing, the reason why I didn't get a TV and I stuck with a projector is that this projector uses approximately 30 to 40 watts of power at its maximum is what I believe. If it's any different, then I will put the correction on the screen. But a TV of the equivalent size of this will use at least triple that amount of power. So just in its display, it is way more efficient. So that's the other reason why I chose the projector over a normal TV. Now, obviously during the daytime, if there's like a lot of light, then it's gonna look washed out. You know, if I put my lights on full, you probably just won't be able to see anything. Woo! Okay, you can. I'm actually quite surprised how much you can see with the lights on full. I'm actually really surprised because my old projector would not be that bright in full light. So, okay, so with the lights on full, it is definitely less bright or less clear than a TV. But A, I have very small windows, so not much light comes in anyway. And B, I only ever watch TV or anything like that during the nighttime when I'm sitting down and relaxing and the lights are low anyway. So I don't really care about having it bright during the day. So yeah, this is more efficient, effective for me. It's a better quality experience and speaker, power, efficiency and everything. It works for me. I've yet to try it with gaming, so I'm definitely going to figure out how responsive it is for playing games. But I can already tell you it's a better experience, especially with the sound as well. The sound is right next to my head, so I don't have to have it that loud. The old projector, the sound on it was fucking terrible and muffled and awful. This also works as a Bluetooth speaker as well, so I can just use it to listen to some music or podcasts or whatever above me while I'm sat on the sofa relaxing. So very happy with it so far, but I will keep you updated as to how it is. I will probably watch some Pluribus on it. And that's it for now. So thank you for joining me. For now, I'm clocking out.